Hi, welcome to ThoseHungryGuys.com.
Today we're making simple fried rice.
I'm glad we're making fried rice. It's good, and I learned something new because I've never made it. I've never made regular rice, so it's something I can try and enjoy.
It's because he's white. Three cups of leftover white rice.
1 cup of frozen vegetables thawed.
1 cup of thinly sliced roast beef.
1/4 teaspoon of 5-spice powder.
1 clove minced garlic.
3 tablespoons of cooking oil.
2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce.
1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce.
1 egg. Fire is just on 10 here, letting the wok heat up.
And why is the wok on those bricks?
It's on the bricks because on a standard stove, it falls over. And you don't want hot oil all over the kitchen.
No.
It causes fire, so not a lot of fun.
I'm sure it'd do a lot of damage. So what's the first thing you're going to do here?
Just gonna put the oil into the pan. Nice circular around there. Looks like a lot, but it's Chinese food, it's okay. So we're just gonna get that swirled around the pan, nice and evenly. And the reason why the fire is making so much noise is because the window's open, and we've found because the cooking hood is generally too loud. For example, you don't want that kind of noise in the background.
No, I can't hear anything.
Okay, so it's nice and hot now. We're just gonna add the roast beef.
Basically, we want to fry up the roast beef first.
That's correct. Might splash a bit, so you don't want to get too close. So with that, we're gonna add the 5-spice in. All at once.
Just throw it in. Yeah, okay.
Stirring constantly. You don't want this stuff sitting around. And then we're gonna add in the garlic. And stir that around some more. Yeah, it's been frying for about a minute now. We're gonna add in the vegetables. Get them all nice in there. Move it around. And with the wok, the more you stir it around, the faster it'll cook. It'll help the steam escape. And we're going to stir this around for about 2 minutes.
So how long have we been doing this for about now?
So altogether it's been about 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
We're about ready for the rice now.
And what is it you want to do with this rice? We have to make sure it's all chopped up a little.
Yep, you just don't want any clumps in there.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. I got a lot of rice stuck in my fingers, but that's okay. Just gonna stir that around, get it mixed in. I'm trying to heat down a little bit.
How much do you turn it down?
We're down to about 5 right now.
5. So medium?
Medium heat. And then soften this up. Okay, now it's a little bit mixed around. I'm going to add the sweet soy sauce. Just eyeballing it. About 2 or 3 tablespoons. Mix that around. And then light soy sauce or salty soy sauce.
And that's about the same amount.
Just a little bit less.
A little bit less?
You don't want it too strong. And stir that around as well. At this point, we're going to turn off that fire. Let everything settle in a bit. And this is where the egg comes in.
Oh, and we got a wrap an egg here, huh? pretty simple stuff.
Pretty simple stuff.
And if you want to learn how to fry up an egg, just go to a previous video. Awesome, man.
So we're having some difficulty with the stove here. There we go. Barbecue lighter. When your gas stove doesn't work, or just the igniter doesn't work, you just use a barbecue lighter, and it works just fine. So we're heating up the second pan here. Let the oil get around a little bit. And this is the live egg fry. No tricky camera work on this one.
So you're not getting someone else in to make this fried egg for you?
That is absolutely correct. There's only 2 of those hungry guys on location today, so there's no extra help going on here. So, egg goes in, and this fire is pretty high, 9, 10 to start. Then once the pans are warm enough, just back off the fire a little bit, take it down to about 7 to 6. That's going to sit for a second. And what we're going to do is just fold in the sides a bit and let the raw egg just run underneath. And this just helps you cook it a little bit faster. That's just about done.
You don't really want to fully fry the egg then?
No, just most of the way. It's kind of flip it over, turn off the fire, and just leave it. We're going to switch back over to the wok and get that rice going again.
So what are we doing here?
Just turn the fire back on with the rice, making sure it's still stirring around. Sizzling up all nice here. And if you get right in there, you can see that the rice is more of a dark color, not the usual lighter shining style of rice. This comes from the sugar in the sweet soy sauce.
That's starting to look good, man.
So, that's all mixed up. Pan back over the egg here. We're just going to chop that up. Not quite a scramble, not quite an omelet, kind of half omelet. Then chop the bits with the spatula. I'm going to grab a pot over here, because this is a cast iron pan. Get it over and let things go. Dumping that right in with everything else. There. Turn my fire down a little bit. And just scraping those little burnt bits off the bottom, because they have a lot of flavor.
Lots of flavors, yeah. Best part.
Okay, and this fried rice is done.
So it really didn't take that long.
Nope, pretty quick, pretty easy. Sort the vegetables, make things a lot easier.
10-minute meal, basically.
So we're ready to plate this thing.
I see someone's getting ready to eat.
This guy's a little anxious on the side here.
Yeah.
Contain himself. You can smell that roast beef.
Gotta love roast beef, especially on a Monday.
And there you have it. Simple fried rice.
Simple fried rice. Looking real good, man. Look at that steam.
Look at that. Looks delicious.
Smells great.
Tastes even better.